I really like that every night it rains, and then in the morning you can still smell the rain and the grass, but the floor is all dry. It's perfect. Breakfast today. You already ate some. Hey guys, today we're going to Tegenungan waterfall, and it's almost more than 1 hour drive from here. We have some. Just for food. Yeah. We're coming here for lunch now. My legs are shaking for some reason. I don't know why. We didn't even walk that much, but like whenever I walk upstairs, my legs just start shaking. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Whoa, guys. It's so hot and humid here. Oh my goodness. We changed to the seat next to the waterfall because the people here just left. Very competitive spot. Wow, guys, look at our food. It's so beautiful. Guys, I got so many mosquito bites. We just finished lunch and now we're going to the next waterfall. It's called Kanto Lampo waterfall. We're gonna go get a motorcycle somewhere. We're here. The ticket here is $2.5 per person, which is cheaper than the other place. But this place is more popular. Oh, there's some koi fish in there. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow. Guys, this is the really famous waterfall, but there's no way we're going to line up and take one single pic there. Let's go see the waterfall everyone's taking photos at. Alright, what about you? I'm not going there anymore. Too crowded. Apparently Gojek and Grab can't go through here, so we have to walk a little bit. The street here is quite nice, but it's very sunny. I saw a person earlier. She was so sunburned that her whole back was peeling. And we forgot to bring sunscreen today, so I'm just trying to wear my long sleeve the whole time, even though it's quite hot.
Thank you.
Guys, we're here. Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Hello.
A little village here. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
There's a duck.
Duck and chicken. You see, do you want to take a picture when the people making some food, Balinese food?
They're making some Balinese food, I heard. Very. We got some ginger tea. Smells like rice. I'm going to get a 30-minute Balinese massage. It's like a full body massage. Oh no, did I say 30 minutes? No, I'm gonna 1 hour. Guys, we just finished and it was so good. I did this one. Really nice. You can see my legs are shiny. So nice. But it looks like it's gonna rain. It is almost 8 and we finally got a place to eat. So tired. This is grilled duck. We finally came back to the hotel and it's raining. And I just saw some lightning. And I'm a bit drunk. Look at this. It's raining so much. Wow. I told you guys, it's always raining when we're sleeping. This is beer and I ordered a cocktail. I forgot what's in it though. Lime beer. Really like it. Bali brand.
The brand is like from Bali.
Then this is my strawberry cocktail. Does it look strawberry to you? Lemonade, no strawberry or mango. Did you get the wrong one?
I didn't order, baby.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's lightning outside. Wow. It's so scary, guys. It was so close to us.